Hello and welcome to Terra Medical. Welcome to yet another episode of Hair Talks by Terra Medical. My name is Dr. Joshua Chong. Today is the 11th of November and it's the ISHRS World Hair Transplant Repair Day. Now, the ISHRS is the International Society for Hair Restoration Surgeons, of which I'm a member, and these organizations actually help fight against worldwide illicit hair transplant surgeries. These could be destination clinics far away from home, or these could be clinics located right in your country where certain practices are not in accordance with the best practice guidelines set forth by the ISHRS. What we're going to be doing today is talk you through some of the processes that happen in this operating room and tell you what processes are actually delegatable to nurses or hair technicians and which of the surgical processes have to be done by your surgeon so that you can be more informed when you make a decision about surgery, and the next time when you're consulting a doctor who is prepared to do a large amount of grafts for you at a very low cost, you'll be asking him these questions.